Hello everyone, thank you for your assistance. I am Severo Real, research at the University of Córdoba, and I'm going to present our work called Sustainability of Citrus Mechanical Harvesting Method from the Fresh Market to Industrial Transformation. This work is carried out within the Supraautonomic Operational Group Citrus Tech. The objective of the group is to modernize citrus farm by mechanical certain tasks, promoting environment-friendly techniques and thus increasing their profitability and safety. The group is made up of companies, institutions, producers, and research centers. The work carried out is included in the Result 3 adaptation and demonstration of a crowd shaker system and a drum and branch shaker for mechanical harvesting for the industrial processing. You can find more information on the following website. In the majority of citrus farms in Spain, harvesting is carried out manually and is the task that has the greatest impact on the final cost of the crop, accounting for between 35 or 45% of the total produce cost. The use of machinery reduces the dependence on the manual labor and therefore harvesting costs. There are two different markets for citrus fruits. On the one hand, the fresh market, and on the other, the industrial market. At present, the industrial market is fed by the waste from the fresh market. The main problem with this is that the fruit is of poor quality and the fruit harvested for the fresh market is harvested unripe, so that it's a ripe for the consumer. In the case of the industry, it is important to pick ripe fruit from the tree. The use of machines capable of harvesting citrus fruit efficiently could be beneficial for the whole sector. Farmers would be able to reduce harvesting costs and labor dependency, thus increasing profitability. To achieve this, farms would first have to be adapted to mechanization, both for harvesting and pruning. This does not mean that the fruit is destined for industry, as these plants are also suitable for manual harvesting. In fact, it will allow the most accessible and highest quality fruit to be harvested by hand and the rest to be harvested mechanically. This will have to be assessed depending on the market situation, but it should be noted that adapting the plantation to mechanical harvesting is only an opportunity to reduce harvesting costs. The objective of this work is to adapt and evaluate two prototypes of harvesting machines designed for traditional leaf growth, for mechanical citrus fruit harvesting. To design the response of the machines, the tree and the fruit to mechanical harvesting is determined. The work is carried out on two prototypes of harvesting machine based on a cap shaker system and a truck vibrator. These machines were designed and built in the framework of the McAuliffe Pre-Commercial Public Procurement Agreement between the University of Córdoba and the Ministry of Economy and Competitiveness, with the collaboration of the Interprofessional Organization of Spanish Olive Oil and the agricultural machinery companies Magtec Iberia and Crispe. The canopy shaker prototype was tested on a plot of the Sucreña variety in the municipality of Hornachuelos, Córdoba. The trees are planted in a 7 by 3 meter frame with a production of 35,000 kilograms per hectare. The trees have a retention force of 71 newton and a unit weight of 167 grams. The prototype canopy shaker during the trial moved at a forward speed of 1 km per hour, established for a previous trials, and with a shaking frequency of 4 and 5 Hz. 3 replicators were used to calculate the harvesting and top removal efficiency of the harvested. In each one of them, three trees were selected. The valves were placed in the adjacent lane in order to weight the fruit falling on it, and the lane where the harvested passes was cleaned to collect the fruit falling on it. The fruit remaining on these selected trees was also counted. In this video, see how the harvesting, reception, and transport system works. Obtaining an average top removal rate of 78% and harvesting efficiency of 63%. These values are within the range of those obtained in the previous trial with other types of canopy checker. In more recent trial with different types of canopy checkers, an average top removal rate of 78% and a harvesting efficiency of 70% will obtain. The rest obtained are therefore satisfactory, as they are very similar to those obtained in a previous trials. With regard to tree damage, or the tree harvested will observe and 13 light, 6 moderate and 3 severe damage, and could be counted. This translates into 27% of the tree with slight damage, 12% with a moderate damage, and 6% with severe damage. In the graph, we can distinguish two groups. The first, in which the less damage is observed, is made up of fruit picked by hand from the canopy and fruit from the unpicked tree. Within this group, the fruit picked by hand from the canopy shows better preservation. This is due to the fact that the fruit remaining on the tree, also it is not broken down, is hit by the shaker. The second group is made up of the fruit picked from the platform, from the ground, and from the bag. This group differs from the first group in that it is broken of the tree. Within this group, the best evaluated and proposed for the improvement prototype of harvested based on a canopy checker system for citrus fruit harvesting is the fruit harvested from the platform, the fruit from the ground, and the fruit from the bag. Is the fruit picked from the platform, followed by the fruit picked from the ground, and lastly the fruit picked from the bag. The difference between these groups are mainly due to the bedding they receive. The fruit that falls on the platform is less than the fruit on the ground, and the fruit on the ground is hit less than the fruit in the bag. It should also be noted that the damage caused by the stick is not substantial. The fruit that has been hit and shaken by the sticks, but not knocked down, and that is later picked from the tree, has a better preservation than the one that has been knocked down. Now we are going to see the work done with the other prototype, a machine used for harvesting olives and nuts. The prototype needs a specific regulation for citrus fruit, and the main obstacles we encountered were the following: achieving a high efficiency of fruit removal, not to damage the bark of the tree, and limit the fall of leaves, shoots, and ripe fruit. The vibration frequency can be adjusted in the following ways: by changing the eccentric mass, by electronically adjusting the variable flow pump, and by using a flow compensated control valve. In our case, the adjustment was made by setting the variable displacement pump. In addition, the pressure regulating valve had to be adjusted to limit the pressure exerted on the trunk when synthetic before vibration, and a soft grip material was installed to facilitate contact with the trunk. It was tested on a plot of the Valencia variety in the municipality of Posada, Córdoba. The three are planted in a 4 and 5 meter by 3 meter frame with a production of 22,000 kilograms per hectare. The fruit have a retention force of 69 Newton and unit weight of 170 grams. Three different frequencies: the 14 Hz, the 10 14 Hz, 16 and 18 Hz, and 20 Hz, 22 Hz. Low, medium, and high frequency, with 2 repetitions of 5 second duration each. Each repetition per frequency will carry out in each of which the bundles were placed under the tree in order to weigh the fruit, leaves, and unripe fruit that fell during the vibration, after which the fruit remaining on the tree was counted. As we can see in the graph, that low frequency we obtain the highest harvesting efficiency of ripe fruit with the lowest drop of unripe fruit and leaves. In order to prevent damage to the tree, we must make a good choice of vibration frequency. In the picture on the right, you can see that the amount of leaves and unripe fruit is very small compared to the felled orange. The conclusions we draw for this work are: the adaptation of harvesting equipment used in olive grove for citrus is feasible and efficient, but requires adaptation and regulation the conditions specific to citrus. The adaptation of machinery makes it possible to make existing machinery available for citrus. It increases the odds of use of the machines and facilitates their entry into the market. Technology based on canopy checker system is sustainable for larger plantation and large trees. Technology based on true checker system is sustainable for smaller plantation and medium canopy volumes. This equipment makes it possible to promote the dual sustainability of plantation with the help of mechanical harvesting. And that's all the work. Thank you very much for your attention. Best regards.